Hi and welcome. In the last video we looked at adding text to our book project using the text panel. If you missed that, just scoot on back and watch it to bring you up to speed. Now in this video we're going to learn how to add and format page numbers to our creation. So let's crack on. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Okay, let's start by going to Spread View. Now this is where we can see two pages at the same time, but zoomed in. Now I'm going to click first on a page that I want to go to, so we'll say this one that's already selected, and then we can click on this icon down here in the middle, which is the Spread View, or we can use the keyboard shortcut Control and R, or Command and R if you're on a Mac. I'll just click, just to bring us up to Spread View. Now we need to open the Page panel. So I'm going to scoot on over, I'm going to open the page panel, and at the top here you see page numbers. So I'm going to put a tick in this little checkbox here, and you'll see the page numbers will appear, and here they appear at the bottom. And that's because of this drop down menu here. So you can see that we could have these at the top corners, the page numbers, or we can have them at the bottom corners, and that's where they are there, or we can have them at the top, in the middle, or we can have them at the side, in the middle, over here, or again we can have them at the bottom, in the middle, and there they are. Now we can change the formatting of these page numbers, but for that we need the Type panel, and we'll be going into a little bit more detail in the Type panel in a later video. But for now I'm just going to open the Type panel, and here we can change certain things about the text, certainly the attributes, but first we have to click to select the text that we're wanting to use. So I'm going to click into this number 17 here, and then you'll see all this comes to light. Now you can select any font that's on your computer, or you could just select one that actually fits in with the feel of your project. We can change the colour by clicking on this little character colour picker here. And then that lets us pick a different colour. So if I click in here, I can say, okay, well, I'll pick like a blue colour. Okay, that looks good. I'll just click the X to shut that down. Okay, now I can change the size of the text. Now I can grab this side. Whoops, it's just got deselected. So I'll click the size of the text to just make it bigger. And you'll see that if you wait a second, it will make it bigger on every single one of the pages, which is great. And we can change the opacity of the text. So if it's a bit in your face, you could drop the opacity just to make it a little bit more subtle. And that's probably all right. But the text is obviously too big, so I'm going to go back to the size slider and I'm going to slide it down a little bit. And that's probably too small because you can't see it. But something like that. Yeah, that's probably about right. And then what I would normally do is I just click out in the grey area, and what that allows me to do is to view the text in my page numbers as it will appear. Now you can see I've got a little bit of a distraction with these grids and guides. So what I can do is go to the guides panel and I can just temporarily turn them off. And this will just show me the book layout as it will look when it's printed. And I think that looks pretty cool. Well, that was a short but hopefully sweet introduction to adding page numbers to your book project. I hope that was useful. If it was, give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment under the video, please do. And if you get a minute, please click that subscribe button at the end and help me grow my Photoshop learning community. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.